How to add admin to Facebook page in Meta Business Suite. Let's get started. Firstly, open your preferred browser and then type in business.facebook.com and search for it. With that, you will land to the login page. Then type in your Meta Business Suite account's credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of page. Now at the left corner, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of settings, open it. Over here, you're going to find different sections. Under users, you will find the option of people. Click on it. Once you land to this page, you're going to find the list of people who have access to the page. Now how to add an admin. For that, click on this option of invite people. Now go ahead and type in the email address of the person that you want to add as an admin. If you're going to make this person temporary admin, you can toggle on for the option temporary access. If not, you can just disable that option and then click on next. Now assign access. If you want to give partial access, you can toggle on for the option. But if you want to give full access, toggle on for the option of manage. I'm going to give this person full access, so I have toggle on for this option of full control. Once you select it, click on next. Now from here, you can assign business assets. Click on this drop down and select the page and then click on next. Review invitation. This person will be receiving invitation as an admin. If this person accepts your request, only then the person will be added as an admin for this Meta Business Suite account. Now you can click on done. Once this person accepts your request, you will be good to go. This person will be added as an admin to the Facebook page in Meta Business Suite. Well, that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.